Using the current to his full advantage. No jump. Oh, another fish just jumped out in the middle there.
Yeah, yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that
Right, sneaking down below the weir. Hopefully it doesn't give it shits too much. Oh, he's hit it twice. He hit it twice. No. Send it back in there. I'll get him this time. It's back where it was. And he hasn't given it a second one. Come on. Come on.
lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year.
It's definitely fish here. You just gotta get one in front of their nose. Like that. Not a terrible fish. Not a terrible fish. Oh, my net struck to my back in a very awkward spot. Still in his best of shape. This is going to be alright. Lion trout. He's using the current to his full advantage. No jump. Oh, another fish just jumped out in the middle there. It doesn't look as big as this one though. Yes. Nice. He's a beautiful fish. Even though there's not much water in the river, they're still there. Give me a bit of a swim, poke him upstream. I want to go downstream, but we'll just let him get a bit of water in. Let's go again. Seen another one jump when I had that one on, so try to get him as well.